A local legislator is using a word that politicians don't like to use: taxes. But Utah Representative Joseph Ellison says this tax would go towards funding emergency services and EMS. And the people being taxed would be tourists and those who have a lot of money to spend, not local residents. Ellison's bill, Local Option Sales Tax Amendments, or HB 442, would allow cities and other government entities in Washington County to add as much as a 1% increase in non-food sales taxes, with all of the funds to go towards emergency services like EMS and other first responders.
So the idea was a lot of our emergency medical calls are coming from tourists. And so the idea was if we do a sales tax, then the idea with the Hurricane Valley Fire District was we could then actually probably reduce property tax a little bit, if not all, and then replace it with a sales tax and let the gap in the funding come from tourists.
Local cities like Hurricane, Ivins, and Santa Clara have had trouble funding EMS services. The quandary is people want EMS services that are effective and respond quickly, but local leaders say people don't want to pay for it. An attempt to raise property taxes in the hurricane for EMS services was soundly rejected. Ellison and others see the new sales tax bill as a way to raise funds that is more palatable to the public. For more on this bill, read the story. This is Chris Reed reporting for St. George News, your number one source for local news.